Right, as you can see, what I'm doing at the moment, let me just have a look here. Excuse how stupid this looks, but so be it. What I'm doing is now, as you can see here, I took out these two memory sticks. I don't know why whoever had this before stuck a 2 gig and a 1 gig. So what I've done is now I've stuck one 8 gig inside here. Taken out the whole hard drive, the old motorized HD, which to me is a no-no anymore. And what I've done is, this is actually a build for my missus, and I've given her a brand new SSD. So this goes in here, which I will do now. And then what I'm going to do is, in another month or so, I'm going to give her a new processor. It's a good old laptop this, but it's slow. And I'm going to reload today. I'm going to put Windows 10 on for her as well. So hopefully she'll be a lot quicker on this laptop than it was before, because it was so slow loading up everything. So this is what it's going to look like, and I'll show you the finishing product when I'm finished.